EnglishMania.
Welcome back. Time to study again. This is a penguin, Chris. He likes to dance.
What is he doing?
The penguin is dancing. This is a man. His name is Alex. He likes to laugh.
What is Alex doing?
He is laughing. This is a zombie. The zombie can walk.
What is the zombie doing?
It is walking. This is a worm. The worm can crawl.
What is a worm doing?
It is crawling.
What is the color of the worm?
Green. These are fishes. They like to swim.
What are they doing?
The fishes are swimming.
How many fishes?
2. This is a musician. He likes to play a guitar.
What is the musician doing?
He is playing a guitar.
Now it's time for you to do some activities with your teacher. Good luck.